Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to import data into Google Sheets step by step. Open a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. You can use an existing one or create a new blank spreadsheet. Once you're in, click on the File menu in the top menu bar on the left side. A drop-down menu will appear with various file options. From that drop-down, click Import. This opens the Import File dialog box, which is the main interface for bringing external data into Sheets. You'll see several tabs at the top: Upload, My Drive, Shared with Me, and Recent. Choose where your file is located by clicking the appropriate tab. If the file's on your computer, click Upload. If it's already in your Google Drive, click My Drive. You can drag and drop a file into the Upload tab, or click to browse and select it from your computer. Once you've selected your file, the Import Settings dialog appears. This is where you configure how the data gets added to your spreadsheet. First, choose an import location from the drop-down menu. Your options include Create New Spreadsheet, which opens the imported data in a new tab; Insert New Sheets, which adds new sheets to your current spreadsheet; Replace Spreadsheet, which replaces everything in the open spreadsheet; or Replace Current Sheet, which replaces just the current sheet's contents. If you're importing a CSV or text file, you'll see a separator type drop-down below the import location. Select how the data should be split. Detect automatically works most of the time, but if you know it's a CSV file, you can manually select comma. For tab-separated files, choose tab. If you're using a TSV file, that's also tab. Below that, you'll see a checkbox that says Convert Text to Numbers, Dates, and Formulas. Check this if you want Google Sheets to automatically format your data as numbers or dates instead of keeping everything as plain text. This is useful if your data includes values that need to be processed numerically. Once you've set everything, click the Import Data button in the bottom right. The data will appear in your spreadsheet according to the import location you selected. Depending on the file size, this might take a few seconds. After it's imported, review the data to ensure it has been imported correctly. If columns didn't split properly, you can go to Data and then Split Text to Columns to fix that. You might also need to resize some cells to see all the imported data properly. Just drag the column borders to make them wider. Thanks for watching.